All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with a custom knife factory, Sokosha, here with me for a review. No, it's not going to be a review, it's going to be a maintenance video, guys. I'm kidding. Can you see that? So let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. I'm just going to need a T25, one of the biggest pivot screws in the business. So before starting, I'm just gonna break the detent right there, so the blade is open. There you go. Because we have a nice hand rub finish here, so we really don't want to mess anything up. So we are doing this to get to open the blade. I'm just gonna grab something like this, like a pointy hard plastic thing, just to push the pivot out and gently releasing the lock bar. I'm seeing where's the stop pin. So the stop pin is external, but we still can't get that out because we have to take the handle apart. So I'm just gonna take this here. There you go. Very gently. I'm seeing through some of the bearings here. Maybe, oh yeah, okay, exactly. So we know that there's nothing risky there, and I appreciate the T10 Torx sorry, for the handle. It's a pretty cool addition. All right, let's see. Feels pretty tight, actually. There you go. Look at the construction right over here. Sienkiewicz Mickey Mouse arrangement for these bearings. Just gonna clean it up. Nice. Love this backspacer, guys. Look at this. Very, very cool. We get an inset lock. Nice. MRBS in the Sienkiewicz, obviously, designation because Sienkiewicz design, and just cleaning up this M390 blade, hand rub satin steel. The bearings are done. These are amazing bearings, guys. They look like multi-row skiff bearings. Gorgeous. Really, really cool. I'll grab some of the 10 weight nano oil right over here. And I'm just gonna start putting back together this bad boy. So that is gonna be one bearing right here, and I'm gonna add 1, 2, and 3 drops like so. And then the blade is gonna get in place like so. I'm just adding on this side, and you get oh, by the way, these bearings are loose. Very interesting. I didn't notice that. All righty. Let me double check. Curiosity killed the cat? No. They are all in place. Very good, very good. And this fella can go back. Boom. That's cool. One little drop for the detent ball never hurt anyone. And the scale is back like that. So break the detent, just lower the pressure, and starting, so this was here, okay, and this guy was here, and this guy was in this place. So simple construction, where you see, you get 3 screws for the handle, pretty straightforward. You get one huge oversized pivot screw, which is like a T25. I think, what is the South African maker using large bits? There you go. I think it's Thorborn. He's using oversized bits for the pivot, which I really appreciate. There you go. So let's tighten this bad boy all the way down and a little bit less. Let's see, we can tighten maybe a tiny bit more. There's no play. Let's spread this lube. Snappy. Maybe we have to leave a little bit more room. Still definitely looking good. And the action, this is a brand new knife, but very smooth action. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned.